Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. I hope so you have completed day 17 agenda, that is about shell types and variables. So one of the important activity. Yes, that's variables understanding and shell types. That was discussed in the previous agenda. And in this video, we are going to discuss that is day 18 agenda, that is shell variables and conditions. Yeah, in this video also we have some more points to understand it on the variables. Is what are those important points on the variables, and what about the conditions, and what are the different types of the conditions. Yeah, that is, we are going to look into that in this video, the important concepts, the what you are going to have it in this agenda. But before starting this agenda, if you are following the learning path journey, and if you think this is very helpful, then please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 18 agenda, that is about shell variables and conditions. Yeah, if you go to this about our 100 days of the DevOps program, and we are in the process of the shell scripting journey. So day 17, it was discussed. That is about important points. If you just quickly recollect it, yes, they're all the things that we were understanding. Now in the day 18 agenda, so what you are going to have it is some important points. If you go through this, yeah, we are going to cover that again the variables. But what are those variables which we have? This is special variables which we need to understand that. Yeah, if you would like to implement the shell scripts in the automation approaches, yeah, thus using about the special variables is one of the important concept. So how do we read the file names of the current file? Yeah, current file name, or how do we read that arguments which are passing to the scripts, or how do we read that, or how do you know that the previous command status, or how do you get that the current shell related, that is the process IDs, the current process ID. Yeah, if you'd like to know that all these details, the special variables is very, very important. Yeah, that's concept which has been covered in this video, in this today's agenda. And as well as next, another important concept in the scripting, that is decision making. Yes, writing about that, the conditional based statements is very, very important. Yes, if you are writing there some automation scripts about that, the disk size validations or the memory validations or the current the previous command statuses, the URL statuses, if you'd like to verify that. So decision making commands or the block of the statements are the very, very important. But what are those the decision making statements? What are the different types are available? So what is the syntax of the if block, if else block, or nested if else block? So all those points that has been covered in this agenda. And if you'd like to access that, all these points, yes. So go to the forum link, and if you click on this forum link, that is scripting variables and conditions, yes, which will be redirected to this page. And here you will get it about that, the video, one video, and as well as the lab. Yeah, if you click on this, the video, and then it will be redirected to this page. Then, so we have this around 1 hour 40 minutes, the video, which is going to helping that giving all the details about special variables and as well as decision making. That is with the if else conditions, how do we implement it? Yeah, first take this pen and paper and go ahead and note it all the important points. And once that's the video has been completed, then try to take it this the lab guide and complete it. Then definitely you will get it the more confidence on these concepts. Yeah, that's all from this section. And yeah, so don't miss these concepts. And we'll see this in the next section, that is about day 19 agenda, which will come back with that. Yeah, so that's all from this. Thank you.